late tonight.
Pressure, and that's why you see a lot of cloud-free skies over the middle of the country. But a few areas are getting some relief from the heat in the form of cloud cover. We'll put the satellite picture into motion. You'll be able to see the moisture getting on into the act now over Southern California and Arizona. That's helped to keep temperatures down just a little bit, but it's also giving way to the possibility of some scattered, isolated thunderstorms over the southwest. And with that happening, you can get the lightning strikes, which could kick off more of those brush fires, so it's kind of a catch-22 situation there. Look at all the clouds blossoming out over Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana. Big thunderstorms are firing up here ahead of a trough of low pressure working through the area. We'll check it out on the surface right now and give you an idea of what's going on. There's that trough of low pressure providing lift in the atmosphere, some energy needed for the big thunderstorms across Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana. We're also watching for the possibility of some strong to possibly severe thunderstorms out of the front range of the Rockies into the northern plains over the next 12 hours or so as this cold front in the northwest works its way into that very warm air. Some scattered showers and storms around the Texas-Louisiana Gulf Coast today and back in the peninsula of Florida just due to the heat and humidity. Speaking of thunderstorms, there's a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for northern Illinois, northern Indiana, and parts of lower Michigan until 10 o'clock tonight, and also until 10 o'clock Eastern time. Parts of lower Michigan, northern Ohio, and western Pennsylvania, including the Pittsburgh area, is under a severe thunderstorm watch, so keep that in mind as well. Also, the southern part of Indiana, about the southern third of the state, on into north-central Kentucky, under a severe thunderstorm watch until 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Now let's take a look at what's going on with our forecast and Charlie Welsh.
All right, here's the story on the forecast. Late afternoon this afternoon, we'll find the jet stream still very far to the north. A little uneasiness in the northeast as well as the northwest. Those will be the two cool spots as we move on through the week. We find that trough that's now back in the Ohio Valley working across the northeast coast, and things push back to the north again. High pressure resumes control of almost the entire United States. Late afternoon this afternoon, we're looking at this front drop south and work its way east, and rather rapidly as we move through late afternoon tomorrow, get on the coast, drop about an inch of rain back across the Ohio Valley as it moves. Temperatures through the day tomorrow flare across the middle of the country again. On Monday, extremely hot once again in the Great Lakes and into parts of the northeastern United States along the coast all the way to Boston. Look for 90s, 110 in the southwestern desert again, 100s pressing across the Arklatex by the time we get late in the week. Thunderstorms and any stormy weather is going to go up with that big ridge of high pressure, then work its way on to the east, and rather slowly at that. By Wednesday, we'll find strong thunderstorms in the northeast. Back to the west, scattered to isolated showers will be the story. Then things start to quiet down as we get on into Thursday. In the meantime, however, through Sunday, back to the southwest and Four Corners, that's where fire danger will remain remarkably high. The weekend travel forecast comes your way after this.
Special regional information. The regional forecast. The 36-hour forecast.
Thunderstorms through north-central Kentucky with temperatures in the upper 80s and lower 90s. Cincinnati Weather Service radar indicated an area of possible severe thunderstorms over extreme southeast Indiana along the Ohio River at 3:30 this afternoon. These storms were located in southern Jefferson and western Trimble counties. Movement of the thunderstorms was to the southeast at 40 miles per hour. Other thunderstorms were developing over western Indiana and north